Hello to everyone and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, something different from RC Rally. I had the opportunity to test a very nice product that has a great balance between price and quality, and it offers a lot of fun. It's this tiny RC car, it's a four-wheel drive. It has very nice details. We have front lights, rear lights, it has a gyro, some tiny suspensions, and you can, let's say, change tires from drift to racing tires. But we'll see more details about this model later in the video. Inside you find some useful instructions, the manual about the maintenance. It's a very nice detail for those that are not so practical with RC cars. Then we have some cons in order to, let's say, set up our truck. The tires, we have 5 high grip tires in order to change the behavior of our RC model, and the transmitter. The transmitter is very nice. As I said before, this is a proportional RC car, so the steering is proportional, but also the power it's proportional, and it gives us a lot of control. In the transmitter we can check the trim of the steering, we can turn on and off the lights of our RC model, and also we can regulate the speed on 3 different levels: 25% green light, 50% yellow light, and 100% red light. We can set up the gyro, and it's very sensible and it helps you to drive in a better way, especially if you want to drift this model in the best possible way. Also because this model is very easy to drive, in my opinion it's a nice gift if you want to make some young guy to discover RC cars. Talking about this RC car, even if it's really small, it has very nice details. Under the body we can find the chassis, all the electronics, the servo, and taking a look in the details, on the front we have some, let's say, tiny suspensions, and it's a nice touch because it's going to help the front to be more stable and to make it, let's say, easier to drive. On the rear we don't have any suspensions. Talking about the tires, we got 2 different kind of tires, some tires for drift and some high grip tires. They are really easy to change. Of course, this is a tiny model and you need to be careful. Also, we can see that we have, let's say, a quite nice steering angle. It's more than enough for this RC model. It's steer in a quite small space, and also it helps to countersteer some, let's say, too much aggressive oversteer. Also because this model is made basically to have some good fun. What I've noticed is that the servo, it's quite fast too, making this tiny RC car very reactive. And here in the room where I used to record my videos, I set up first of all a drift track using the cones provided with this model, and I really had a lot of fun. I tested this model a bit, starting from 0% on the gyro, and as you can see, I was not that good. I tried a bit to work on the power, starting from the lower part, and it became more drivable. And then in order to have some good fun without putting a lot of effort in it, because this is the fun thing about this model, I've increased the servo almost to the max. I've increased the power to 100%, and I had some nice drifts. This model is so easy and nice to drive that I have some ideas to create more complicated drift tracks and to train a bit. I think that it's something nice in order to keep your sharpness when you don't have time to go out with your bigger RC car and you want to train a bit. Then I changed the tires from drift tires to high grip tires. They're made by rubber, and I set up a proper track with some slaloms, a straight with a sharp corner also to, let's say, train a bit the braking. And it was nice to see the lights turning, let's say, brighter when I was braking before entering the corner. This is a nice detail, as I said at the beginning of this video, and let's say it increases the fun that you can have driving this RC model. Also, as we can see, because of the fast servo that this tiny RC car has, it was so nice to drive in such conditions because the model is reactive and you can be fast in the chicanes, or if you have a lot of corners, or as in this case, a lot of cones placed close together. So guys, I think that this is a very nice RC model. This is a perfect gift that you can do for yourself or for someone close to you. And if you want to buy it and also support my YouTube channel, you can use the link in the description. And I think that's all. See you next week for a new video. Ciao!